Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. So we all know that there's a recession just around the corner, right? When, or possibly, or actually, you know what? No, let's not even say possibly. We all know that underneath the surface, right? Underneath the surface right now, that there is the recession starting to brew right now. The fundamentals underneath the surface, right, are not quite right. Because if they were quite right, we'd be raising rates and not dropping them. Let's just look at the facts, what the facts are, okay? So yes, there is a recession just around the corner. Yes, there is a bear market just around the corner. We know that, right? We could be forming the top right now. And if you see my little advert at the end of these videos, then I'm seeing the very first pattern right now that I see in most stock market crashes or most stock market bear markets. I'm seeing the very first sign I'm getting right now for a market top. And I'm just looking for that second pattern to give me a bit more confirmation that we're likely to start that next bear market. And so by looking at these markets, right, by looking at the Dow Jones and the S&P right now, look what's actually happening here right now on the S&P. Where this is as you can see, we have a support line through here, a support line through here, and look what's happening here, right? Not only did we actually break down past this support line, but now we're actually rejecting it through here. So we really have on this S&P 500, we have two different levels, right here and right there, which is a major resistance. You can see it came down, bounced back up, and now it's actually broke back down again. So as you can see, right, this is where the market is right now. And if we hold this level through here and this continues to be a lower high, then we're likely to see a nice move on the downside. Now, here's the thing, guys. If you're watching this video right now, when I say a nice move on the downside, I don't mean every single day is a down day. Look at the stock market. That's not how it works, right? It might go down, popping up a little bit right now, but then it might go down for 2 or 3 days, and then it might have a little rally for sideways for 2 or 3 days, or maybe for a week, and then go down for a week. You know, like that's, look at all these markets, right? That's how the markets work. Don't think that you know when's it going to start. Guess what? It's already starting, that I believe, just by looking at the markets, okay? So if you're trading these markets right now, and then and then my happy place, the beach is my happy place sign just dropped. If you're trading the markets right now, guys, please stop trying to predict what's going to happen tomorrow, because you don't need to know what's going to happen tomorrow in order for you to get ahead in the markets. Okay, but that's a different topic from this. Different topic. This whole video here is the recession is around the corner. The Dow Jones, same thing, right? Look at this here, support. But look what happened, right? Broke down below, came back up, hit resistance, and broke back down. So we're still hovering around this level through here. So it's really, really, really interesting to see that. Plus also the Nasdaq as well too. So we know we're getting towards the end of this booming cycle, right? 10 years in the making. We know that. And we know it's just a matter of time before we actually start the bear market, i.e. crash. And we all know that it's likely to be a couple of year period of a downward market. Please stop trying to predict a black swan event. Stop trying to, well, I better get in now because I might miss the crash. It's going to take a couple of years for that thing to happen. Remember, guys, that the whole downward movement of 2008 into 2009 was what? 2008. That was a whole year and a half from, actually it was longer than that, but it was actually 2007 it started. But 2008 into the middle of 2009, that's a year and a half worth of time. See what I'm saying there? So stop perceiving something to be real in the markets, i.e. big black swan event, which you cannot predict. It may happen, we don't know. But what's likely to happen? What's the probability of things likely to happen? It's likely to take a couple of years for unfold. So stop listening to this bullshit out there on YouTube right now that says that we're going to see a big vertical spike and all that sort of crap. It's like, yeah, we may see a big move up or big move down, but guess what? If we get a very, 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 very sharp move down, guess what's likely to happen then? We're likely to find some sort of support, and then we're likely to rally for a little bit at least, right? Because that's how the markets work. So it's called price and time. When the market makes so much move in one direction, either up or down, guess what happens? Bitcoin did it and so many other markets do it. And so, yes, there is a recession around the corner, but we may be forming that top right now. And it's really interesting to see. So leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Do you think we're actually forming that top right now? Or do you think we're getting ready to have a big move up? So I've spent almost 20 hours studying the past boom and crashes in the markets. We'll talk about the 1987 crash, 2001 crash, and the 2007 crashes. And one thing I've noticed amongst all these crashes is that there is two patterns that actually form in these markets. Now, the first pattern is a signal that there is a potential top in the markets. And the second pattern is like a confirmation before we start the bear market or that crash. And I've studied this. And what's happening right now in the markets is we have just formed the very first pattern in today's market right now, and all we're looking for is the second pattern. So over the last 20 hours, I've noticed all these have very, very, very similar patterns, and these two patterns show up again and again and again. And I'll spend 20 hours looking at this. So this is what I'm going to do right now. As you know that I have the Trading Secrets Weekly. I've just launched this where every single week I do live coaching and training, and you can get a free trial for 1 week as well too if you go to tradingsecretsweekly.com. In my next training and coaching session, I'm going to be sharing with you the two patterns that have formed over 1987, the 2001 and the 2007, and I'm going to share with you exactly what those two patterns are and how the first pattern has already formed in the stock market right now, and all we need now is the second pattern to form to start the potential next bear market. If you are interested in that, and I'm so excited to share with this, go to tradingsecretsweekly.com right now, sign up for your 1 week free trial, and I'll see you on my next live training, and you'll be able to see that all in detail. So go to tradingsecretsweekly.com, and I'm going to share with you all the details. I'm going to show you the 1987, 2001, the 2007, and how the very first pattern has already formed in the market right now. I'm going to show you exactly what it is, and also what to look for in the next the second pattern. Because if the second pattern forms, it's going to be absolutely amazing on the downside. And once you're ready for it, you can do really, really, really well. So go to tradingsecretsweekly.com right now, sign up, grab your free trial, and I'll look forward to seeing you on my next training and coaching session where I'm going to share with you all the details. So go do that right now. Go to tradingsecretsweekly.com, sign up for your free trial, and I'll see you on the next coaching session.